Hello, I am SJ from What the Trig Math, and we are taking a look at Math Whiteboard today. So here I am in my whiteboard, and I want to take a little look at doing algebra in here. So we've already taken a look at how it does handwriting recognition for our math, so it'll pick up that that's a number 3 for me, and then I can pick that up as a typed number. And then my favourite bit is I just scribble over it and it disappears. I'm going to write some algebra in now, just very simple, and I just want to show you a few features of this. So I'm going to write in my equation. So you can see as I was going along, it kept the yellow waiting for me because it knew that I was writing an equation and it was going to wait and wait and wait until I got there. And it's perfectly recognised my finger writing. And I'm just using my finger on a touchscreen device. Okay, so this is fairly simple. So we can work out what A is going to be here. So A would be 7. So if we write A equals 7 here, it's not recognised it, and that's my fault because I've written my 7 funny. You can see it's crooked, so I'm going to scribble over it and get rid. And I'm going to go again. I'm going to write A equals 7. And you can see it's picked it up now for me. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take out this A equals 7 here because I told it A equals 7, but it's actually really clever as Math Whiteboard, and it's going to tell me what A equals. So I'm going to go A, and I'm going to put my arrow in, and it's going to have a look, and it's telling me that A equals 7. How fantastic is that? So I can then play about with this equation. So let me take this 4 out here, again using my favourite scribble, and I'm going to put 3 in instead this time. And it's 2a plus 3 equals 18. It's told me now that a is 7.5. I'm not happy with that. I think we can push this even more. I'm going to change the 18 out and I'm going to write 36 in. And let's see what happens. It's telling me that A is 16.5, so it's doing all the hard work for me. So not only does it recognise my handwriting, its values change dependent on what I'm asking it to work out, and it is working out for me. So it's a really useful way for students to check their work, to check that their values have been correct as they've gone through. So not only is it intuitive, and again, I am just writing on a touchscreen Chromebook with my finger. There's no fancy stylus or anything going on here, and this is the functionality that we're getting. So this was the second video in our journey into Math Whiteboard, and this is just the beginning.